Hi there and welcome to the Fit Life Show channel. Today, we're talking about the importance of sleeping and the health benefits of sleep. We're also going to finish with some proven sleeping tips that will ensure you get a full night's rest and make sure you get the right amount. Let's see everything you need to know after the intro. Not getting enough sleep is linked to fat. Did you know that lack of sleep is one of the biggest risk factors in obesity? Lack of sleep's relationship with fat storage seems to be for a number of reasons, several of which are given below. Obtaining adequate sleep helps your hormones. Children were actually 89% more likely to be obese when not getting enough sleep. With adequate sleep, cortisol, your stress hormone, is reduced. Over time, increased levels of this hormone have been linked to obesity, poor skin quality, and a long list of other problems. Additionally, it has been demonstrated that getting more sleep increases testosterone levels and insulin sensitivity, which will give you more natural energy. The immune system is strengthened by sleep. According to a recent study, those who slept for fewer than 7 hours per night were 3 times more likely to have a cold than those who slept for 8 hours or more each night, which is another health benefit of sleep. Studying before bed seems to be a good idea since when 2 groups were taught a new language, one before bed and one throughout the day. Sleeping well reduces the likelihood of experiencing depression. In a study involving twins, scientists discovered that poor sleep increased the genetic risk of having depression. Individuals get more sleep naturally eat less when you don't get enough sleep. Hormone swings lead to stronger cravings and lower appetite control. So if you're trying to lose weight but just can't resist the late-night nibbles, get more sleep naturally. Getting extra sleep can undoubtedly be beneficial. Sleep aids in developing empathy for others. A more in-depth comprehension of social cues is another peculiar health benefit of sleep. Sleep enhances athletic performance. A study of basketball players found that players' reaction times, speed, and accuracy improved after getting more sleep. Let's speak about how to get a better night's sleep now that we've covered the health advantages of sleep. Here are a couple sleeping suggestions everyone should be aware of. The sleep hormone, melatonin, is increased as the sun sets to signal to our bodies that it is time to sleep. The quality of your sleep and your ability to fall asleep will significantly improve if you completely darken your room. Computer and phone screens also interfere with melatonin production. Although these devices have nighttime modes, it's usually better to avoid using them an hour before bed. Establish a regimen. Because you can form a habit to make sleeping at night virtually automatic by brushing your teeth, reading for 15 minutes, and going to bed right after. Humans are habitual creatures, so developing a regular pattern will improve sleep. Try not to work on your bed or spend any time on it while you aren't relaxing or sleeping. Use your bed only for sleeping. Occasional physical activity goes with the habit issue, but the instant you hit the bed, you want the body to know that it's time to go asleep. There is no ideal position for sleeping, but on your back is probably best because it preserves the alignment of your neck and spine. Also, napping helps you maintain the alignment of your back and gradually improves your posture. It also benefits those of you who experience lower back pain. Bring back a little bit of your childhood and take a quick cat nap if you're feeling tired in the middle of the day because it lowers cortisol levels and is very healthy for the body. Our final point is that you should get 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night, no less than 7 and no more than 9. Thank you for watching, and we hope you have found this video informative and helpful. And be sure to subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness lifestyle tips.